Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have administrator rights and a recent restore point. This protects you if something goes wrong. Once done, open Services. MSC and find the Threat Service or Windows Defender Antivirus Service to see status and dependencies. Make sure to stop dependent services first so you won't hit locks. Next, run System File Checker and DISM to repair corrupt system files. These scans often restore service binaries, which is why you run them before deeper changes. Once system scans finish, you move into repairing packages and permissions, because missing or blocked files often stop the service. Run elevated PowerShell commands to reinstall or re-register Defender packages. This recreates service entries and binaries. Then check ACLs on program data and the service registry keys to ensure system and trusted installer have full control, because improper permissions prevent startup. If DLLs or executable files are missing, copy them from a matching Windows image or a clean PC and register them. That repairs the runtime components. After repairs, restart the threat service and then reboot the PC to ensure changes persist. You should verify the service startup type is automatic or automatic, delayed start, and use Event Viewer plus PowerShell Get Service and Event Queries to confirm no new errors. If the service still fails, boot into safe mode to run offline repairs or perform an in-place upgrade to replace core components without wiping data. One key tip: if errors reference access denied, recheck permissions and ownership for system and trusted installer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.